Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, no. All you do is lie, lie, lie.
Hi, this is Josh Consult here, and we bring you the best property deals here in the city of Enugu. Today we are at London Estate, located at New Haven Extension, Enugu. This estate is very safe and very habitable and is located in a very serene environment that is very, very comfortable for you to raise your kids, have a leisure time. This is a 6-unit or 5-bedroom contemporary duplex, and 3 of these units has been sold already. We left with just 3, and I know you will pick one. This building comes with an ample parking space, as you can see, a security house, 2 bedrooms downstairs, a living lounge, and a well-furnished kitchen. Moving upstairs, we have 3 rooms upstairs. The room 1, the room 2, and the master's bedroom. And guess what? We have a family lounge where you can bond with your family, unwind, and have quality time and create beautiful memories. Now, if you're looking for a property here in the city of Enugu in a very serene environment where you can raise your children and have a very comfortable lifestyle, then I am very sure that here in London Estate, you have the best choice. So guys, I am very sure that by now you would not need anybody to convince you that this property is, for a fact, very, very beautiful. So if you're interested in this apartment, all you have to do is put a call to Josh Consult now for further details and information.
Down my back tonight. Ooh, you know me well, 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 well. And you try to tell. Ooh, you try to make me run insane. But you know that I'm not the same. I just think I can do better. Crazy things are happening. Crazy things are happening. If you need somebody grace, you fit drop somebody's grace. Crazy things are happening. Crazy things are happening. If you need somebody grace, you fit drop somebody's grace.